Welcome to today's talk, where we share timely tips for families considering a separation during COVID-19. My name is Regina DeMeo, and I'm a family law attorney in Maryland and DC. I've been practicing for over 20 years, and with me today is my friend Sharri Freedman, who was also a divorce attorney for over 17 years, and then she became an incredible divorce coach that I work with in many cases. Thanks for being here today, Sharri.
Thank you, Regina, and thank you so much for inviting me to be part of your speaker series, Tips for Families During COVID-19. As Regina said, I'm Sharri Freedman, your divorce coach and owner of Potomac Coaching. I have been helping women and men navigate the challenges of divorce for over 25 years, originally as a family law attorney and more recently as a certified divorce coach. One of the questions that I've been getting a lot lately from people who are separated, people who are divorced, and even people who are in happy marriages is, how do I maintain a healthy relationship while sheltering in place? So today I have 3 tips to help you stay sane while life hangs in limbo. And if you stay tuned to the end, I have a bonus tip. So my first tip is focus on what you can control. Remember, you can only control your actions and reactions. This is an incredibly stressful time for everyone. And everyone reacts differently to uncertainty. It's the uncertainty that makes us feel powerless, and no one likes to feel out of control. So as much as you want to control the situation and you want to control everything your spouse says or does, remember, you can't. When you react emotionally to circumstances, you allow life to happen to you instead of for you. Your power is in the ability to change your focus. Life might not be happening the way that you had planned. You might be angry, frustrated, and even overwhelmed. And that's okay. It's okay to have those feelings, but don't let them take over. When you cannot control what is happening, challenge yourself to control how you react to what's happening. That's where your power lies. That leads me to my second tip. Pick your battles. I really like this quote by Mandy Hale. You don't have to show up to every argument you're invited to. When I was practicing law, I used to tell my clients to imagine a judge sitting on your shoulder and watching everything you say and do when you interact with your spouse. This is especially true now when forced togetherness can magnify marital tensions. It's so easy to let small things become big arguments. Instead, think before you speak. In the scheme of things, how important is this issue? Will it matter a day from now, a week from now, a year from now? If it is important, then take a moment and make sure that you and your partner are in a calm mindset and have a conversation about it. If you decide it's not that important, consider letting it go. My third tip is don't panic. Divorce brings a whole host of emotions such as fear, anxiety, shame, and sadness. Add on a worldwide pandemic, and now is definitely not the time to be impulsive. I know this is much easier said than done, but this is so important, especially when going through divorce. Don't make decisions based on emotion. Why? When you let your emotions drive your decisions, they become decisions that you regret down the road. So you may be thinking to yourself, how do I keep my emotions in check? That's where having a divorce coach on your team can be invaluable. A divorce coach helps you process your emotions, identify your goals, interests, and needs, make clear, informed decisions, and communicate and co-parent effectively so you can move forward, focused on the business of divorce and not the story of divorce, which will save you time and money in the long run. And now for my bonus tip. Breathe. When you start to feel out of control, practice box breathing. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, breathe out for a count of 4. And repeat this until you feel yourself relaxing and you're able to think clearly. I know you may be thinking, breathing, it's so simple. But when life starts to spiral out of control, we often forget to breathe. Breathing helps calm the brain and helps you refocus. Remember, a calm brain is a thinking brain. So I hope you found all of these tips helpful and are better able to manage your relationships during this crisis and beyond. If you have any additional questions or you want to learn more about divorce coaching, I invite you to contact me. You can reach me by email at Sharri, SHARRI, at potomaccoaching.com, or you can call me at 301-388-8466. I look forward to talking to you more and helping you transform your divorce experience. Thanks again, Regina, for having me as part of your speaker series.
Wow, thanks so much, Sharri. That was great information.
Thank you.
So thank you all for tuning in. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you stay healthy and safe, and tune in next time. Thank you so much.